Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off the emergency location service tracking on your Android smartphone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy, a Google Pixel, or another Android-based phone, in today's tutorial I have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select the location tile and select the safety and emergency tile. And there should be something in here that says emergency location service. Go ahead and click on that. So you can disable that by clicking inside the oval and it should be grayed out and toggle to the left. Conversely, if you want to enable the emergency location service, you want to toggle to the right and lit up blue. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.